Today, we organized a very impressive protest in front of the United Nations Human Rights Council. All the Pashtuns, Balochs and Sindhis gathered here to inform the world about the worst crisis that's developing in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and in Balochistan also. There are gross human rights violations committed by the Pakistani army. Now there is astronomical increase in the extrajudicial killings of our notables, our religious and nationalist leaders, especially recently a very renowned religious leader and Pashtun nationalist Mufti Munir Shakir was killed by the proxies of the state of Pakistan, and we hold the Pakistani Army Chief General Asim Munir responsible for his extrajudicial killing, and for all this chaos and insecurity in the region, the Pakistani state is responsible for all this.